just arrived on Rocky Mountain National Park.
Coming in from the Grand Lake side.
If you're coming to your national parks, guys, I would suggest getting on the website and checking if you need a reservation, because some days they do. And also, when you're on there, make sure you check their free days, because even though we had this plan today, we did not know it was a free day, and then my son told us, and sure enough, it was. So definitely check that before going to your parks.
Not to mention, if you're not a Colorado resident, you can still get on the website and you can still get a parks pass for, I think it's like $70 for the year. So if you're going to come multiple times or stay, it's like $30 a day. You're better off just getting the pass.
And I believe it passes for every national park.
Yeah, it's for the year. Every breath you take at 12,000 feet or higher, you only get 2/3 the amount of oxygen you would at sea level. Come on, let's get a walk in. Beautiful. This is the high tundra, and since we moved out here, I've learned that it takes forever for grass to grow or anything to grow, because short growth seasons, high altitude, rough weather. And so this path that you see, it would take this over 10 years to grow back. It's just, the growth seasons up here are probably 2 months at max. Stop. These are amazing couloirs. It's kind of what we'd like to ski in the high Alpine. They're called couloirs. In the wintertime, when the snow shelf's over at the top, it's called a cornice. So you get your cornices and your couloirs. Getting closer. Getting closer. One breath at a time, one step at a time. You're kicking butt up there. I'm not sharing it for you guys. I want it.
I need it.
I need it too. It's above freezing right now. Harley, excuse yourself.
The moose love it.
Oh yeah. This is a little high country for moose, I'd say. They might be down in the valleys though.
I don't know if it's true, but I read that mooses can stand in the water for 6 minutes.
I don't know. I don't know now.
How cold do you think the water is?
Just above freezing, just 30, 35. It is cold.
Only?
What's going on, guys? So, those are adventures we're doing the Grand Lake to the Estes Park Trail Ridge Loop in Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's just gorgeous. We're going to be putting in a ton of shots, not very much talking. It's just too beautiful. We're hoping that the video records and kind of shows the depth of the beautiful Rocky Mountains. Yeah, I think this is called Thumb Rock. I could be wrong, but I think that is Thumb Rock. So far you guys have seen us here at Rocky Mountain National Park doing the Grand Lake to the Estes Park loop all the way through on Trail Ridge Road, which is, this is probably like the last month.
I just want to get one picture.
What is this for?
See what they're put this way again?
You can either charge your phone or listen to music. I really want to have a bike now.
You guys remember earlier in one of our other videos when we came to visit Colorado, this is the part of Rocky Mountain National Park that we showed going up and down in April, and now you can see that the aspens are changing now that we're back below 11,000 feet. Leave an answer in the comments if you know at what elevation aspens stop growing. Our thoughts are right around 10,500 to 11,000. Let us know in the comments what you think.